Hello everybody! Oh my god, I'm so excited! I'm officially done with work, and starting on Sunday, I will be on my way to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and I'm so excited! Oh my god! So, I'm coming at you today, and let me clean up all these toys in the background really quick. What I want to do for you guys today is shopping haul, pack with me, some kind of combination of the two, whatever. Over the past couple weeks, I have been purchasing so much stuff for this trip. I feel like I'm spending more money preparing for the trip than I'm actually going to be spending on the trip. But I got stuff from TJ Maxx, MISSGUIDED, online store, MISSGUIDED. And what else did I buy from? I think that's it. Let me see what I got. What is this that I got in the mail? Oh, my boob tape. I forgot I got boob tape. So I got boob tape because I thought that I would be wearing bathing suits that didn't have any support, because it's so hard finding available bathing suits that have support and like underwire in them. I'm going to be wearing it with outfits that really can't show bra straps unless you want to be looking ghetto and ratchet and gross. So I got some breast tape. Two different kinds of breast tape. So I got boob tape in this one and nipple covers. And then I got, I guess, it says 3 pairs breast lift tape. And if you can see it, it's kind of like, I guess you like put this thing on your boob and then it kind of lifts up. So hopefully that works. I got a bathing suit top, and this is from MISSGUIDED, and this one is the one that I was able to find with underwire, so I'll show you that. Maybe I should try it on. You know what, I'll try it on. I'll be right back. This is what it looks like. I mean, I think it looks okay. I think I'd still want a little bit more support, and I don't think that this is adjustable. Yeah, this is not adjustable. I mean, it's really cute. I love it. Like, it covers everything. I just wish it had a little bit more support. So I'm probably going to be using. Shush. We got it. We got it under control somewhat. I'm probably going to end up using this thing, the boob tape or whatever the heck, because I think that it is waterproof, so I don't have to worry about it getting wet and getting messed up when I'm going to the pool or when I'm going to the beach or anything like that. So, okay, back to normal. I forgot to show you guys, on MISSGUIDED they do, I don't think it's for all bathing suits, but for this one they have the sizes go by your bra size, which is why I really liked it. The only thing is though, your girl just got size like maybe last month, and I'm a 36 triple D.
Wow.
And this one is a 36 double D. It still fit pretty good, but again, I just wish it had more lift. Like, I wish that this was kind of adjustable. If it was adjustable, then it'd be perfect. But I still like it. I'm just gonna use the boob tape for it. And I got one more thing from MISSGUIDED. 2 more things. How much boob tape did I get? So this says T-tape, the no slip way to keep your clothes in place. So I'm probably gonna use this for maybe when I'm wearing, what do you call it? Jumpsuits and all them kind of shirts and stuff that you don't really want to be showing your bra strap. I got, is this the anklet? Oh no. Oh yeah, this is just a, because I got an anklet and I got a necklace. So I guess this is the necklace. If I can get it untangled. This is the necklace right here. It would just lay, it's like double, so it would just lay like that. And I'm probably gonna wear this. I never do this, but since it's my 30th birthday and I'm going to Punta Cana, I figured I can wear little things of jewelry when I'm sitting on the beach or sitting by the pool. So I'm probably gonna be wearing this with my bathing suit. And really, that'll be looking really nice. Paired up with this. That would look kind of cool. And then I got an anklet. So I got the cross necklace and then I got the cross anklet. I think these crosses are kind of big. So let me see how this looks on my ankle. Alright, so it actually looks kind of cute. I thought that the crosses would be too big, but that's actually really, really cute. I like that a lot. Alright, so that was it for MISSGUIDED, so I'm probably going to do TJ Maxx next. So I got these pair of pins from TJ Maxx. And I figured since I didn't really do anything special with my hair, like get it braided up or locked up or anything, I'm going to be accessorizing with these things. And this one was $5.99 and this one was $4.99. And I got sunscreen, and this sunscreen was $6.99. I don't know how this works, so if you're looking for like a recommendation for sunscreen, please don't come to me because I have no clue. This is literally the first time I'm buying sunscreen for myself, because the last couple times I noticed when I'm going to the beach and when I'm just sitting out front, I feel like my skin is getting tighter and all that kind of stuff, so I want to make sure to take care of my skin. What else did I get? I got a waterproof phone case, waterproof pouch. So when I'm in the beach or when I'm at the pool, I don't have to worry about leaving my phone, the rest of my stuff like my sunscreen and my towel and all that kind of stuff. So, and it comes with, it opens up like this. It comes with a strap. So you can probably just drape it over your, drape it around your neck. Like that. And you just slip your phone right in here and close it up. And then it looks like it has another, it's like a Ziploc thing, so you close it up, like you seal it up like that, and then you Velcro it. And I like the flowers on the top. The flowers is really, really cute. And that was $5.99. This pouch is $5.99. Ooh, I forgot about these slides. I got Calvin Klein slides. Oh wait, no, they're not Calvin Klein. What the heck am I talking? What am I talking about? They're Danskin. It looked like Calvin Klein lettering on the top. Leave me alone. It is Danskin flip-flops for $12.99. And let's see how these look on my feet. This is the first time I'm buying slides. I never buy any slides. I usually buy like flip-flops with the thong thing in the middle for your toes. So let's see how this looks on my feet. I actually like them. They look nice. They feel nice. They feel comfortable. And I just wanted some kind of plain looking slides, just so when I'm walking from the beach or from the pool back to my room, I could just slip on something, because the one flip-flops I do have, they are looking kind of raggedy. So I wanted to get some, just wanted to get some new ones for my trip. Alright, and let me see what else I got. Oh, I got more anklets, I forgot. I got these anklets. Right here, there's three pack. So you got the rainbow one, then you got the gold one, and then you got these right here with like little stars, star charms on it. And this was $9.99. I guess I'll try. Let me try like. I'll try the rainbow one and the gold one on. So hold on one second. They actually look pretty cute. I didn't realize how cute anklets were until I tried them on. I think I might wear these more often. I might have to lotion up my feet and my legs and shave them, but they both look really cute. I like them. Alright, I also got, let me see, what's next? I got a wrap scarf, because again, I'm not going to be doing anything special with my hair like locking or braiding it up, so I got to make sure to get as many accessories for my hair as I can, because I don't want to be going down there and just looking basic and regular. Nice pattern. Pretty long, soft material. And this one was $3.99 for this, which is not a bad price for this at all. And they even show you like different different styles that you could do with the scarf. So maybe I'll try out a few of those while I'm down there. If I get my hair wet, maybe I'll just tie it back using this thing. And I got a little bathing suit bottom. And this one is by Aerie. Like, you know, the Aerie, I think it's Aeropostale's lingerie line or something like that. So this is Aerie. And this is $4.99. I will not be trying this on right now because my legs are not shaved and I'm looking ashy. So I'm not trying this on right now. So exciting. Oh my god, I have been buying stuff over the past like maybe like 2 months for this trip, and I have not realized how much stuff I actually bought. Just going back through my closet and seeing like, oh yeah, I forgot I got this for the trip. Oh yeah, I forgot I got this. It's just like, oh my god, it's great. I got these shoes from TJ Maxx, and I wore these one time already when I went down to Ocean City with MJ. I bought these from TJ Maxx too. Madden Girl flip-flops, and I think these were maybe like, they weren't any more than like $24, so they were maybe like $19.99 or $24.99, something like that. Oh wait, I gotta try them on. Hold on. Alright, yeah. So I figured these would be like some nice shoes to just be walking around the resort in, or when I'm going on one of the excursions that I picked for when I'm down there. I can probably wear these. And I really need to get my toes done. I need to get my nails done. I have so much stuff to do. Oh my god, I'm so overwhelmed. I just want to get down there. Okay, this is the shoe. Ta-da. Okay, next thing. Alright, next shoe I got are these, like, I guess you call it mid-heel. The company is Dunes. And these were only $19.99. And I wanted some heels to be walking around the resort in when I wanted to go to like fancy dinners and all that kind of stuff, but I didn't want to be wearing like stilettos. I wanted to wear like comfortable ones. So thank God I got these right here, and they were only $20. And let me try them on my feet. Y'all, I absolutely love these heels. They are comfortable, they're cute. I love the color of them. Like, I just love them so much. These are really, really nice. I cannot wait to wear these when I'm down there. All right, next thing I got this really, really cute carry-on bag for $60. Is it? I think it's London Fog. Yeah, it's London Fog. And I got it because, you know, your girl loves rose gold, and it matches my big suitcase that I'm checking. And the flight that I booked included a carry-on bag, so that's why I got this one. And I made sure, I wanted to get one of the carry-on bags that you could like sit on top of your check bag. So that's why I got a carry-on bag that looks kind of like this. And it looks like it has like a whole bunch of departments. It looks like it has a whole bunch of compartments. So let's look at it. Let's look at it really quick. You have this one in the front. No. No. I told you it's a lot of compartments. Okay. You got this one right here. You got this right here, and this opens up the main part of the bag. You got this little space right here. This opens up. You got all that space in there. And then you have pockets on the side as well. So really, in all actuality, you can like use this as your personal bag too. But here's another smaller compartment right at the top. And that is my carry-on bag. Okay, here's the fanny pack. The fanny pack, I believe, is Steve Madden. Yeah, Steve Madden. Right there. And I think this, I want to say this fanny pack was like, cricket. It was like, I want to say it was between like $7 and $10. All right, here's the first compartment. And I'm probably going to use this when I'm out away from the resort and I'm going on excursions and stuff. So I wanted to get one that was big enough to fit my camera and my phone and all the other kind of stuff that I'm going to need. So I got that, all that space. So I got this jumpsuit, and this one is $19.99. It's like kind of like a long, flowy jumpsuit. So let me go try that on right now. Hold on. Yo, I forgot how cute this is, man. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this is something I can wear not even just on vacation. I can probably wear this at work. Yo, I love this. The only thing is though, look, it shows it's gonna be showing my bra. So this is probably something that I'm gonna be wearing the breast tape for, so I'm not showing all this and all this. But yo, I love this. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, it's got pockets. I love it. It's flowy. You can breathe in it. It's cute. I love the colors. I love everything about it. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. yeah, I didn't feel like changing into this to get back into my clothes I was wearing before, just to get changed into this. So I bought this one dress from TJ Maxx too, and this is one of the ones that I wore already, so I took the tag off, but I believe this one was $24.99, I think. And it's a floral looking sundress that ties at the shoulders. So I'm gonna change out of this pink one and put this one on. Alright, this is another one. I already know what I look like in this dress, but I love this dress so much. It's so pretty. I love the colors, I love the flowers. I think this is one where, I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing the breastplate with this one, because it's not that bad. My bra strap's showing, but it's still, I still want to look nice and neat. But yeah, I love this dress. I love that, I don't know if you can see the bottom, but yeah, it splits open at the bottom. It's got buttons on it. You can tie it right at the shoulders, so if you want it to be like a little bit looser and hang down a little bit lower, just loosen the straps a little bit and it'll be a little bit lower right here. Show a little cleavage. But yeah, I love this. It's so pretty. I love the way it moves. It is really, really nice. I absolutely love it. Okay, so that is it for my shopping haul. I know I said it was a shopping haul for MISSGUIDED and TJ Maxx, but it seems like it was mostly for TJ Maxx. I did not realize how much stuff I got from TJ Maxx over the past couple months to prepare for this trip. But thank you guys so much for watching. Maybe I'll do more hauls like this in the future, because I really like doing this. This was a lot of fun, trying stuff on for you guys and showing you the prices and all that kind of stuff. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, His Ambassadors, where I'm going to be showing you guys my half solo trip to Punta Cana for my 30th birthday. And again, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. And yeah.